Welcome to the video guys, hope you are fine. This video will tell you the right ways to keep your liver healthy. Just watch this video up to the end for the full detail. Guys, more than 500 vital functions have been identified with the liver, including breaking down, balances and production of nutrients. Similarly, it metabolizes drugs for easy absorption in the body. So focus on the liver to keep it healthy. Let's start. Number 1. Green tea. Green tea is vital for liver health. It is brimming with the type of antioxidant called catechins. Research shows that it protects against some forms of cancer, including the liver. You will get more catechins if you brew tea yourself and drink it hot. Now, ready to drink green tea daily to keep your liver healthy. Number 2. Avoid fatty foods. Guys, fries, burgers, pizzas and other fried foods you should avoid because it puts adverse effects on your health, including the liver. Eating too many fried foods full of saturated fat is harder for your liver to do its jobs. Over time, it may lead to inflammation, which in turn could cause scarring of the liver that's known as cirrhosis. So next time, avoid fried foods and think about ordering a healthier option. Number 3. Drink coffee. Guys, studies show that drinking 2 to 3 cups of coffee a day can protect your liver from damage caused by too much alcohol or an unhealthy diet. Some research also suggests that it may lower your risk of liver cancer. People who drink a few cups of coffee a day may be less likely to get liver diseases, including cancer and scarring, fibrosis, cirrhosis. So go with coffee for your liver health. Number 4. Eat vegetables and fruits. Guys, you should add lots of veggies and fruits to your diet if you want to keep your liver healthy. And the famous are broccoli, spinach and other green leafy veggies, and the famous fruits are berries, apples, etc. Should be part of your daily diet. You can use vegetables with sliced nuts like almonds, dried cranberries and tangy vinaigrette. Number 5. Oatmeal breakfast. Food with lots of fiber can help your liver work at its best. Want one that's a great way to start your day? Try oatmeal. Research shows it can help you shed some extra pounds and belly fat, which is a good way to keep away from liver diseases. Number 6. Exercise daily. Guys, body mass index should be controlled. You can watch several videos on YouTube to control body weight. Guys, keep in mind that exercise and a well-balanced diet are the best way to help maintain good health. It lowers your chances of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. If your BMI does not change, exercise is likely to help. Why? Because it improves how your insulin works and burns triglycerides, a type of fat in your blood. That's it guys. I hope you liked the video. Please hit the like icon and subscribe to my channel. Hit the nearby bell icon and choose all option so that you can get the latest upcoming videos notification. Thanks.